So I'm on Amazon and I'm browsing, being financially responsible, and definitely budgeting and saving up and taking care of, my priorities. I just happened to stumble across the wig side of Amazon. Yeah. I stumbled across some sensational wigs, and you guys know how I feel about sensational wigs, especially when it comes to their lace. Yeah, I am taking a walk on the short side today, and I'm not talking about my height. Go ahead, get it out, just laugh if you want to. But I am trying something from their Shear Muse collection. As this title says, this is part 2 of the Pixie Cut battle. Part 1 just did not make it to my channel because, yeah, it was kind of touch and go. I purchased this wig in a 1B, as well as a color that I've never tried before, ash blonde. So let's get into it, man. Let's see where this goes. Okay, so let's get to know Miss Amina outside the pack. This wig has a comb in the back and 2 combs in the front like it usually does, and the lace is pretty decent. I will say that it's lightly colored, it's nice and thin. I've already told you guys that I'm big fans of the construction lace wise of Sensationnel's wigs, so let's give her a try. I'm not gonna say it, but you're thinking it. Yeah, you're definitely thinking it. Nah, I definitely know you're thinking it. Yeah, you thinking what I'm thinking, ain't you? I got you. Give me a minute. See how this goes. I just wanted to flatten it just a little bit. Okay. Okay. It's looking like something. It's definitely looking like something. Maybe I should tuck this behind my ear. Hold on, let me see. My last video was a very much throw it on and go type of ordeal. As much as I love the lace and the styling of this particular wig, if you don't have the patience or the time to kind of sit here and kind of twist it up and make it into your own thing, just know that this one takes patience. I've always felt that short lace wigs they take a little more time, patience, and effort to kind of conclude and get together. But you know what? I've actually always wanted to grow out and curl my natural hair into this length and style, so I think this was a pretty good preview. Okay, so far, just going off of the way the hairline is setting up and everything, I'm gonna have to say I think I like Amina in Ash Blonde more than I like her in the 1B color. I know I'm giving 80s fitness instructor with the hair right now, but I see it. I see the vision. It's shaping up. It's coming together. And I learned my mistake with installing the first one, so I'm going to see if I can avoid doing that this time. But yeah, I see it. This is the type of wig that you wear when you out of town and you want to have a whole new persona where no one knows me. I just keep staring at it in the mirror because I'm trying to like picture me wearing this. Which one do you prefer on Miss Amina? The 1B color or the ash blonde? Well, before you decide, I'm going to give you guys a couple of angles like I usually do. And of course, thank you so much for clicking play. Don't forget, if you already haven't, to click that big red button and tell all your friends what we do here. And I'll see you next time, same place. Peace out.